Polkadot prices are expected to range between 22.69 and 42.85 by 2030. Market analysts believe that SPEC could hit 17.64 cents by 2025. Bearish Polkadot market costs are expected to be $4.03 in 2023. Presentation of Polkadot's Polkadot is a convention that connects blockchains, enabling the exchange of wealth and information between previously opposing organizations like Ethereum and Bitcoin. It is also expected that digital money can be sold or bought on Coinbase and other trade stages and is used for marking and administration if you are hoping to put resources into Polkadot. The 8 points listed below may help you decide what is Polkadot, as well as other post-Bitcoin digital currencies. Polkadot is a decentralized convention and a symbol that can be exchanged or purchased on exchanges such as Coinbase. The Polkadot conventions are intended to securely connect disconnected blockchains so that information or Earth can move between, for example, the Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchains without requiring a go-between, utilizing various equal blockchains frequently known as parachains, which are utilized to offload the handling interest from the primary blockchain. It is additionally intended to be quick and versatile. Polkadot specialized testing. A simple trade involves swapping a falling triangle. A breakout, which normally occurs to the downside, can be predicted in such a case. For instance, when the cost goes beneath the basic 15 mark, it can flag a decline. Slipping a triangle design is how the cost is currently exchanging. A breakout frequently happens toward the most recent thing. Most dealers will enter an exchange once the triangle's primary concern is broken with more volume, so all in all the cost should fall by a sum relating to the triangle's broadest piece. Trend. All time periods are on a descending pattern MACD line. If it continues to stay over the MACD signal line, the RSI ought to be under 50, assuming you are money management OB level, implying that the volume on all days is equivalent. Thus purchaser and vendor interest and supply equilibrium may be seen. Polkadot Essential Examination is a local cache of the Polkadot convention, which intends to offer interoperability to the blockchain company by connecting profit public and private chains, as well as other innovations in the crypto area, into a single web. Polkadot's improvement began in 2016, and the organization officially launched in May 2020. With so many blockchains contending for incomparability, one of its creators is the former CTO of Ethereum, Gavin Wood. Polkadot's began with a clear conjecture about what would happen if there was no obvious victor to allow the many blockchains to coincide. 3 critical elements enabled Polkadot to foster an answer rather than entering the race. Polkadot transfer chain is important to the Polkadot biological system since it connects everything while also providing security. Hera chains, also known as equal chains, are independent blockchains that may be leased by various organizations for use in their application, bridges that consider availability with other blockchains. The Polkadot network is protected by the agreement convention selected state confirmation. This indicates that the nominators should first select dependable validators. Polkadot is now valued at $5.04. USD DAB is currently up 1.23% with an exchange volume of $82,019,000. Polkadot is now ranked 13th among all digital currencies, having a market capitalization of $6 billion, $382,785,160 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the graph above, we can determine cost designs for Polkadot to determine whether having a or negative year is going to our cost expectation. Figures utilize continuous Polkadot market information, and all information is refreshed live on our website, allowing us to provide dynamic cost projections based on current market activity. Polkadot value forecast for 2023. According to some, Polkadot is one of the most amazing digital currencies to climb this year. The spot cost forecast for 2023 anticipates a significant increase in the year's final portion, maybe reaching 7.56. Similarly to other cryptographic forms of money, the rise will be gradual, but no significant drops are expected. Averaging $7.06 in cost is aggressive. But it is attainable sooner rather than later given anticipated joint efforts, and progression. SPEC is expected to have a base worth of $6.05. Polkadot value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Because of the planned growth, the Polkadot SPEC cost prediction offers a lot of room for expansion. With the announcements of different new organizations and drives, we anticipate that the cost of spot will soon outperform 12.60. Nevertheless, we should wait to see if the DAM's general strength list escapes from the oversold zone before putting down any bets. Wagers based on market volatility will swap with a base exchanging cost of $10.08 and a typical exchanging cost of $11.09. Polkadot value forecast for 2025, assuming the vertical pattern continues till then. It might reach 17.64 cents. And thus could gain if the market falls. However, if the market falls, the goal may not be attained. In 2025, spot is expected to trade at a median price of $16.13 and a low of $15.12. Polkadot value forecast 2026 assuming Polkadot effectively supports market opinion among digital currency fans, the Dabcoin cost could remain stable for the next 5 years, according to our projections. The SPEC is expected to reach and outperform its all-time high in 2026. In 2026, virtual cash will be worth $22.69, with a base cost of $20.17 and an average cost of $221.17. Polkadot value forecast 2027 after some extensive determining and specialized examination, we estimate the spot cost is expected to cross a normal value level of $26.22 by 2027. With a base cost of $25.21 anticipated before the year's end, while DAB has a maximum value worth of $27.73. Polkadot value forecast 2028 because it represents future organizations that are expected to occur by 2028. We anticipate that a pattern will keep carrying the average cost to around 31.26. If SPEC figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a highest cost of 32.77. Failure to accumulate the help DApp needs by 2028 could result in a low of $30.25. Polkadot value forecast 2029, while DAB is working towards interoperability among companies to speed communication, the positive pattern from the previous year is expected to continue, thus the base exchange cost has been set at 35.29, with a yearly cost close to 37.81 in 2029. Polkadot value forecast for 2030. Polkadot will finally outperform its previous